In this video, I'll explain how copyright protection works in the international arena, so stick around. Vince asks, does having a screenplay copyrighted in one country make it binding in another country? In other words, if I copyrighted a script in the US, does that copyright also hold legal status in, say, Ireland? Well, every country has its own copyright laws, and so things do vary a little from place to place, but fortunately, most of the developed world, 165 countries in fact, have signed on to an international treaty called the Berne Convention for the Protection of Literary and Artistic Works. Now, this is not a new treaty. It was first developed in France at the urging of Victor Hugo. That's 1886. But interestingly, the US signed on in only 1989. The Berne Convention requires its signatories to recognize the copyright of works of authors from other signatory countries, known as members of the Berne Union, in the same way as that country recognizes copyright of its own nationals. So, for example, French copyright law applies to anything published or performed in France, regardless of where it was originally created. So, yes, Vince, your script originally created under US copyright law does in fact enjoy protection in Ireland, as well as 163 other countries. Hey, if you like these videos, please subscribe using the button below. And if you have a question you'd like answered in this series, head on over to firemark.com/questions.